Good morning students, I am back again with another session of science. Today we are going to recall chapter number 2. Topic is photosynthesis. Now do you all recall what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants make their own food in the presence of sunlight. Because photo means light and synthesis means to prepare. It means to prepare or to make. So the process by which green plants make their own food is called photosynthesis. Now this process is basically only for green plants because they have chlorophyll in them which helps them to trap the sunlight. Let us explain this with the help of a diagram. So I have a plant here. Okay. So I am drawing the flower. Then I'll draw the stem. It is going deep into the soil and it has many roots. This is the soil. It also has leaf. Okay, suppose this one has a broader leaf. Now what happens during photosynthesis? The plant absorbs various materials from various sources. First, the plant is absorbing the light of the sun, that is the sunlight. In the presence of sunlight, sunlight is being trapped by the chlorophyll present in the leaf, correct? And then water. You always put water in the soil. So the roots of the plants are absorbing water. Okay. This water then travels through the root to the stem and then to the leaf. It travels through the root to the stem and then to the leaf. So now leaf has received water, it has received sunlight as well. Okay. Now it will receive carbon dioxide from the air. Next it will receive carbon dioxide from the air. So what is it receiving? Three things: light, sunlight, carbon dioxide and water, and in the presence of chlorophyll. Okay, chlorophyll is helping the plant to trap the sunlight. And suppose, now what will this plant give out after that? It will give out oxygen. What will it give out? Oxygen. After preparing the food is transferred to the entire plant, be it the flower, be it the roots, be it the stem, be it the leaves. It is transferred throughout the flower or the plant, and then what is the extra thing that comes out? That is oxygen, which is necessary for all of us. So again, I'll just repeat it off quickly. Chlorophyll present in the leaves will trap the sunlight. It will get carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil. So all these things will help the plant to make its own food called glucose. The extra food is also stored in the form of starch, remember? And then that glucose will be used by the entire plant, okay? Not only the leaf but the entire plant. Apart from that, it will also release oxygen, which is important for all the living organisms. So this is a complete summary of the topic photosynthesis. So this is the diagram for photosynthesis. Alright, that's all for today's session. Thank you so much.